I'll start here and I'll work through piriformis that way. So, to specifically target piriformis, you go through here, just relax a little.
Yep.
Okay there?
Oh,
A little bit at the end.
it's really nice.
Oh, it was a nice
I would say 9, but it's really good.
Okay, so we're right at the limit.
Oh.
Yeah.
He's purring.
We all have to learn this really good.
It's good. You see, once we get over this little thing about it being buttocks, it's all very easy and feels amazing.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
In my Swedish,
as long as they're clothed. So as long as they're
I think he's dying.
Well, I could tell you a few stories about clients who go, oh no, that's fine, I'll just whip my clothes off. It's like, whoa, hold on.
Yeah.
It was my
I can tell you a few of them as well.
Yeah.
Yes,
But once you put the elbow in, they realise the focus.
I have a full nude.
Okay.
And just sort of a note from the platform perspective.
Listen, just listen
like
in.
they're 5-year-olds.
Addy?
So there's with glutes is one that if we're going to have some points when there can be complaints and misunderstanding, it's often to do with glutes. So a lot of it is therefore sort of about making sure that communication. I'm guessing this type of technique is rarely going to be sort of misconstrued, but if you're doing things around there, make sure there's a lot of communication early on about what you want to do, what you can do, the benefits of it, and make sure they really understand it and that they are opting into it ahead of time. And also making sure that they do keep their underwear on through it, even if they say that they would prefer not to have it on, and even if they say they're happy not to.
What do you do if you discover that they're not wearing underwear halfway through the massage?
had
And they're
that.
already, when they turn around, oh my god, what do you do?
So
and it's someone you don't expect, like someone nice and...
Yeah, we really strongly recommend that you, at that point, well, not
Even
at
at
that point, if you discover that they're not, then sort of stop and say, we require that you wear underwear. If you want, I can leave the room and put it back on.
Okay.
The thing is, even if you're comfortable with it, and even if they're comfortable with it, and even if 90 to 80% of the time is not an issue, it's one of the things that can then lead to issues. It's one of the things that, just to protect yourself as much as anything else, it's policy that we make clear to clients, make clear to you. If you say from the off, you need to keep your underwear on, it just can sort of stop issues there.
With women,
Just
it's
there.
kind of hard to know if they have it on or not.
No, it can be
With women, I
Nice.
don't care. I've never
If
had
they
one.
have a thumb, you're going like...
Just tight.
Yeah,
I'm-
it's at the end of the day, it is up to you, and we're not going to prescribe exactly the way to do it. But in order to protect